Alam mo ba, paulit-ulit ako nagkakamali nun. Akala ko totally failure na yun. Pero ngayon, na-realize ko, kaya pala. So every failure I went through, every mistake I made in the sales process, in the business, or even in life, they all led me to this very moment. Ang dami kong maling hakbang, pero dahil sa mga yon, natuto ako. Now, I know how to spot those mistakes na. At yun ang dahilan kaya yung mga negosyo na ako ang consultant, talagang natutulungan sila. God had a bigger plan. Lahat ng mali ko nun, ginamit niya para maabot ko ang position ko ngayon. So, if you're feeling stuck or frustrated because you keep failing, remember this: failure is not the end. It's actually part of your growth. Every wrong step is preparing you for success. It's part of your story. And eventually, part of your victory. Keep going, para sa'yo to. I'm rooting for you. Don't be afraid of failure because it's leading you to something greater. Para naman sa ibang may mga na-experience to, comment below where your failure taught you something valuable. Let's talk about it and share it to others.